One of the common questions we get asked about the Portamix Mega Hippo is how do you actually mix with the machine? Well, here we're going to do a quick step through on a dry run on how to mix a 5-bag mix of product using the typical standard procedures. One of the key points you always note just when you're starting is always add the complete amount of water for the entire batch of mix right at the start. So I'm saying that if you're doing 5 bags of compound, the 5 bags worth of water you add to the machine right at the start. When you've added the water, you plug the machine in. When you're plugging the machine in and starting it up, you then hit the reset button to reset the RCD, which then allows power to flow to the switch, and start it running on the low speed option of the machine. Hit the on button, allowing the machine to start mixing. While the machine is running, you then add carefully and steadily the first 4 bags of compound, allowing the machine to mix and incorporate the compound into the liquid. You don't want to be adding the bags in a fast rush, allowing the machine to struggle. So adding a bag at about a minute time lapse is a good average speed to do this. Once you've added the 4th bag, turn the machine off on the side here. Once the machine is completely stopped, then we adjust it up to the high speed. On this machine it's on level 3. Sometimes being a manual gearbox, you just need to twist the spindle slightly to allow the gears to engage, sliding up to the high speed. Using a small margin trowel, you can scrape the residual dust off the side of the canister and bring it back into the main mix. Then you turn the machine back on again on high speed and add the 5th bag, taking about a minute to add that bag will allow the compound to be integrated into the mix. Once you've added the 5th bag, then stop the machine again, which allows the compound to expel the air in what we call the burp. And this will be an air bubble that will come out of the helix, centre of the vortex, and the mix will then be mixing without air. Once the machine is burped, you turn the machine back on again on high speed and mix for the recommended time to the compound, or 2 or 3 minutes more longer, until the compound is fully mixed. Once the product is fully mixed, turn the machine off, and then you can disconnect the power connection and wheel the machine away to the wet edge where you pour it out.